Hola, family, and welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Shauna, wife, mom, personal chef, gardener, as well as the meal planner, home keeper, okay? We do it all, don't we? Now, I just wanted to swing by for a quick moment to greet you and share a little cookie recipe. Remember, don't overmix and don't forget to be creative and try something new. You could take this concept and make it your own. Don't forget to enjoy. Skip my cookbook. See? Yes, these are actually the real plates of recipes featured in this book. You can find everything from spice blends. Of course, it's scripturally based, telling us how to live by the dietary laws. So this is like a one-on-one cooking guide for the novice cook, as well as for the newcomer in the truth, that you will learn how to prepare your meals and avoid unlawful components. Okay, family, I have a little bonus for you. So I'm gonna drop this oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe. I tried this online recipe and they were delicious. So what I did was I excluded the raisins and I added chocolate chips. Of course, you can keep the nuts or add the nuts. It's really up to you. Allow the dough to rest and chill and then bake. And if you pre-scoop them, you can freeze them individually and make cookie pucks. Or you can simply roll them up in parchment or plastic wrap and make your own cookie log. And just like that, whenever you want homemade goodness, just cut them off and bake. They were delicious, gooey, crisp around the edges, and soft in the middle. And I'd just like to say shout out to my viewer over on YouTube. I'm sorry it took me so long, but here you go. Give it a try and you might enjoy them just as much as we do.